Here you are going to learn how to draw varying bars. Click Draw Range and Draw Range option from Detailing menu. Enter or select the element mark, bar size, spacing, remarks, bend shape. Then select the varying length, view, and the rotation of bend type. Enter the required dimension and click the Add Row button. Now click Draw Bar button and select the shape to which the bar should be drawn. To display all bars, double-click the Range and select All Radio button in Edit Range Varying Bar dialog box. Varying bar is drawn.